What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Hope y'all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. Just want to do a quick little video here. I can't get a good shot, but you can see that Yzma, my pink-toe tarantula, is on her back right now. I wish I could get a better shot, but I cannot without taking off the lid, and I don't really want to do that because I don't want to disturb her in this process. But she is on her back, and she's got a nice webbing underneath her that she has laid, and this is the very beginning of her molting process. And this is the first time I've ever been able to witness this. I usually ended up coming in and catching her. I've caught her right at the end when she's trying to get like her last little bit of feed out, but I've never actually caught her on the back, almost death-like position. It's the first time I've ever seen any of them in that position, so this is really cool to see. For a split second, of course, I did have a heart attack because I was like, oh God, what's happening? But when I realized that she was a bit more spread out than she should be for being dead, I realized that she's actually just in the process of molting, which is super exciting. And she has not been feeding for a while, so I figured this was coming. It's taken a long time to get here, actually, but yeah. So hopefully, oh, I don't know what's happening there. A lot of, obviously the process is a thing. But yeah, she's on her back and is getting ready to molt. And I can't get a better shot because I don't want to take the lid off and disrupt that because that could actually cause some serious complications, which could be super fatal for her during this time. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. Not that it's a really good shot, but I definitely want to capture the moment because it's the very first time that I have personally witnessed it, and I think it's a pretty amazing thing to see. And you can't see it the way I can, but like seeing the webbing that she's laid underneath herself to be able to be like that is pretty impressive. So yeah, just a short video to show you guys that. I wish I was able to like set my camera up and just kind of leave it where I can get a better shot, but even if I left it here, as you can see, you're just not going to get a very clear shot of what's happening in there, so it doesn't really matter. But maybe one day I will be able to get her in a setup where I can actually, maybe you can get a better shot of this. But either way, really cool to catch. Super excited about it, and I'm excited to see what she is going to look like when this is all said and done. What's happening, everybody? So it is the next day, and you can see that Yzma is right side up again, and right over here in this corner is her molt. So again, I can't get a good shot of her, but with the moment, in probably about a week or so, after she's like had time to really finish hardening up, she's definitely already getting there because she was very pale earlier and it's already darkened up a bit. So in about a week, I will be able to take the lid off safely without hurting her fragile self right now, and give you a better shot. But yeah, I was really happy to be able to capture this. So anyway, that's all, you guys. You all take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles and your arachnids or whatever it is you keep. And you guys keep spreading those herps.